Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off professional mode on Facebook. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So all you need to do is open up Facebook, click on your profile icon on the top right, and select your name at the top. Once you're on here, you should see three little dots on the right hand side near the middle, so you want to click on that. And then near the bottom of this page you should see turn professional mode off, so you want to click on that. This will just let you know on here, review important changes before you turn off professional mode. If you change your mind, you can turn on professional mode at any time. So if you're happy with that, just select continue. Then there's some information you can read, and then just select turn off if you're happy with all that information. And that will turn off professional mode for you. Thanks for watching.